Hey guys, this is Rocky. So this is the reason why I have not uploaded many videos or any videos for past 6 months, because I've been busy, very busy with this little puppy. He's been keeping me so busy. Hey Rocky, and his name is Rocky. I'm making another video on him, all about him. I just wanted to quickly post this because it is snowing outside, and the struggles that I'm going through with a Goldendoodle and a lot of snow. I am gonna post how to take him out in the snow. Okay, he's getting very impatient. Rocky, sit. Rocky, can you sit? Can you sit and say hi? Yes. He's so sweet. So it's Tuesday morning and it is so much snow out there. I think it's about 3 feet. I went outside and the snow was almost up to my thighs. So there's a lot of snow. Now I have to let my puppy go out to go do his business. And every time he goes outside, he comes back in with this snowballs all over his fur. I'm going to show you that right now. And to prevent this, we tried many things. And I'm going to try this genius idea that my son came up with. Hey, Rocky, where are you going? Are you going out? Look, we took 2 t-shirts and we put one straight and the other one backwards. And then I rubber banded over here, and then I made a hole for his wee-wee so he could pee, and then I made sure that I taped up on both sides so it's away from his wee-wee so he could pee. Let's see, we'll put this to work. Wish us luck. So I forgot to videotape it when he came inside. Obviously, it didn't work. He was soaking wet, and this is afterwards. So we tried again. He's going to take his 2 long sleeve shirts, put one on the front, one on the back, and we taped it up on the sides. We tried this before, like I shown you on the video. He went outside, he came back. It was pretty good. The front stayed, but the back fell off. So what I'm doing differently this time is to put this jacket of his, which has a Velcro. So it holds it in place, hopefully. I also taped it up here, up over here. I taped it. And then I also taped, as you could see, in the bottom. So we're gonna let him out. Rocky, come on. We're gonna let him out, and we'll see when he comes back how much snow he's gonna have on his fur. Rocky, sit. You wanna go out? What do we do? Sit. That's a good boy. You wanna go out potty? Okay. Make sure you keep everything on. Go. So we'll see what he does. I will show you when he gets back in. Hey, Rocky, you're back. Let's check you out. Looks like everything is on. Come here, baby. Come here. Let mommy check you out. Oh, wow. There's no snowballs. And everything is on. So here he is. He has everything on. And he has no snow. Yay. So I think that was a winner. So I guess if you guys have a Goldendoodle, this is a perfect thing to do. Get 2 long sleeve t-shirts. Put one in the back, one in the front. So the neck goes on the tail over here. So then, he has opening where if he wants to poop. And then I create a hole where his pee-pee is, so then he could pee. Other than that, this is a perfect suit. It just takes a little bit for you to do, but it's worth it. Then, it's better than cleaning him up like 4 or 5 times, washing him. Hey, Rocky, you did good. Can we say bye to everybody? Bye. Yes, bye, everybody. See you in the next video. I hope you had fun and that was informative. Please subscribe and like if you like this. And high five, Rocky. Yes.